Isabel Díaz Ayuso is a Spanish politician serving as the president of the Community of Madrid since 2019. A member of the People's Party and the vice secretary of communication and spokeswoman of the party's Madrilenian branch, she was the regional candidate for president of the Community of Madrid ahead of the 2019 Madrilenian regional election. Although her party lost the regional elections for the first time since May 1991, she was later elected president by the Assembly of Madrid. Her administration represented several firsts. It was the first time that the region was run by a coalition government formed by Ayuso's own Conservative People's Party and Citizens, and it was the first time that the far right, represented by Vox, propped up a regional executive in Madrid. Born on 17 October 1978 in Madrid in the Chamberí district, her parents were involved in the trade of medical and orthopedic goods. She has a degree in journalism from the Complutense University of Madrid and a master's degree in political communication and protocol. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.